See this, guys. I just drag and drop some icon. You can see I just need to drag and drop an icon, and you can see by just creating this design I can earn, some amount by selling this t-shirt absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from my pocket is going to spend, and I can do it online. You do not have to do anything, guys, and you can see how much traffic this website will give you. 9.49 million. And you can see, guys, if I can create just one t-shirt, how many can I do? Just drag and drop thing, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just creating small designs. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your designs to your audience. Okay, so let me just first give you how much traffic this website will give you. Okay, so as of now, guys, lots and lots of my subscribers are asking me, sir, please give us the genuine website. Okay, so I just gave you tpublic. Okay, tpublic.com. so I just show you, this is the website name, tpublic.com. okay, so let me just show you. You can see, guys, you can see how much traffic it is. 9.49 million people are coming on this website to do shopping. Okay, so there are great chance that your designs, if it would be selected, it would go viral and you are getting paid for that. Okay, let me just give you how much you can earn, guys, how much you can earn. Okay, so let me just give you a guide which will show you how much you can earn from this website. Okay, so guys, what you need to do first, you just come up here and see the designer sign up. Okay, just click on this designer sign up. Okay, so it will redirected you to a different page. Okay, so here you can see, guys, how much you can earn. You can see, guys, if you this website will sell your product. Okay, if you design a t-shirt, okay, if your designer t-shirt is gonna sell, you are getting paid $4 out of 20. Okay, why? Because, guys, it's from one design. It's from one design. Let us suppose, guys, online calculator, I just show you. Okay, let us suppose, guys, if you can make from one design, it is $4. Okay, let us suppose, guys, if you upload 10 designs, okay, 10 such designs, $40. Okay, but guys, it's minimum. For hoodie it is $8. Okay, let us suppose for per hoodie $8, and for 10 designs $80. And you can create, guys, lots and lots of designs over this website. You can see they will show you the consensus. Okay, so what you need to do, let me just give you thing. You just need to enter your email address. Okay, I just quickly do it. Okay, so I just need to type in my email address and just click on this create account, and you are redirected to this. So, guys, whatever country you are living in, you can see you can you just need to do one thing, just select your country. Okay, and you can just write your password. Okay, and type in my password. Okay, just click on this create my account. Okay, that simple, guys. You can do it with Facebook as well. Okay, just wait for it. It will send a confirmation link to your mail address. Okay, so, guys, it will send a verification mail. So I just come up on my mail, and you can see, guys, this is a welcome. Okay, I just need to wait for this confirmation mail. You can see, guys, within few seconds a confirmation mail activation link is coming up. So I need to just click on this activate now and just wait for it, and it is redirected to this page. Okay, so what do I need to do, guys? Just wait for some time because it will do the validation part. So yes, it's successful, and you are good to go, guys. Okay, so you are good to go. Okay, so what do I need to do right now? So what do I need to do, guys? I just need to login first. Okay, I just need to log in first. I just need to click on this login and just need to first login. Okay, so I just need to enter my password. Just click on this login button and you are good to go. You can see guys, it is doing the login part, so just wait for some time and you are in the account. Okay guys, so sign in successful, as we have we did the validation part. Okay, so how to design, let's see. Okay, so guys, just click on this, you can see this robot part. Okay, actually it is your profile pic. You can do it, update it, I'll show you later on. Just click on this upload a design. Okay, just click on this upload a design. Okay, so it will do the redirect you to that page. So guys, you might ask me a question that, sir, what design we just need to upload on this website? Okay, for that guys, I just bring you two new reputed websites. First is guys Pixel. Okay, you can see Pixels, where you can find ample of designs. You can see guys, I just need to type texture here and you can see guys, there are ample of designs. You just need to just click on this design part and just need to click on this download and you are good to go. I just show you how to download it. Okay, just that's it guys. Okay, and you can do it on your mobile phone. You can see guys, it has downloaded it. Okay, another website guys, if you want to create your own customized design, so I just want to recommend you to come up in this canva.com. Okay, canva.com, here you can create your own customized designs. Okay, you can see guys, you can just need to create a design. You just need to log in here, okay, with your Google account, and you just need to click on your customized design. And as per the pixels, okay, I just see this whether I have created. Okay, I just need to first log in first. Okay, so guys, what you need to do first, I just come up on this upload section. Okay, whatever I did. Okay, just click on this uploader design and you just need to give your store name. Okay, what is your store name, online store that you have opened? So I just gave my store name. Okay, just give your store name and it will do the validation part. Okay, so this is this store name is available, and just take me to the uploader. Just click on this uploader and you can give whatever store name that you have. Okay guys, so just click on this, take me to the uploader, and it will do some validation part. Okay, it will take some time guys. Okay, it will take some time to generate your own store. So in the meanwhile, I just tell you that this is a canva.com guys. Okay, where you can customize your design. Okay, you can see you can customize your dimension. This is your width and this is your height, and you can see pixels, millimeters, centimeters. So pixels I just need to prefer. Okay, and you can see guys, you can see in the meanwhile what we did, just need to click on this upload design and you are redirected to this. Just pay attention to this design part guys, because lots and lots of people are having problem that guys we cannot upload our design because the minimum requirement pixels is not satisfied. So I just want to recommend you to have a minimum pixel intensity this, so 1500 to 1995 pixels. Okay, you can do it on this canva.com. You can see guys. Okay, I have entered the same and just need to click on this create new design. Okay, so it will redirected you to this page. Okay guys, you are redirected to this and it will show the customized elements. You can see guys, there are elements and you can add your own text as well. You can see there are lots and lots of designs that you can give. You can see guys, ample. I'll show you one design. You can see guys, just drag and drop thing. You can see just drag and drop thing and your design is getting uploaded on your website. You can see guys, this is let us suppose this is a design guys. Okay, this is my this white portion I just need to fill in. Okay, so I can do it on different ways. You can see guys, I can add this this design as well. You can see this design as well. I just need to add, I just add another one. Okay, you can see, let us suppose guys, for example, I just show you this design. Okay, I just need to click on this download button. You can see, and you just need to set up this PNG format. Okay, just need to click on this download, and I just want to tell you that guys, there are some pro icons as well on this. Okay, so I just want to recommend you to use the free icons. You can see the ones who are having free, so absolutely free. Of course, you can see guys, upload design, it will do the updation, okay, on the same point of time. I just need to click on this PNG part, okay, and what is its name? Untitled design 1. So it will take some time to uploading it. You can see guys, it will do. I'm not skipping any part guys for you, because I don't want you to miss a single step to earn money online. Okay, so just wait for this time. You can see guys, it will do the validation part as well, and you can see guys, this is my design. Okay, so this is my design. What do I need to do first guys? I just need to give a title. So unique design, unique design. Okay, you can give your own title. I just need to give a main tag. So unique is my main tag, okay, or unique is my main tag, and it is a beautiful design. Okay, and give some tags like what it is. We can say that unique, okay, or we can say, oh, it's not taking this. Kids, is it the tag? That is, yes, kids fashion clothes. Okay, men fashion clothes. Okay, for men. Okay, you can give whatever tags that is suited you. Okay, you can see guys, other you can develop your Christmas designs as well. Okay, Halloween designs as well, gifts as well. Okay, just have a set of some custom tags, okay, within you, and you can see guys, there are ample of things that you can select. You can see you just need to first give a default color guys. Okay, I just need to give, you can see what color it suits. Okay, just try out different kind of colors, default colors. Okay, let us suppose black is my default color, and for baseball tee you should have to select it. Okay guys, so let us suppose this is my design. Make sure that you have filled all of these colors. Okay, default colors are always selected guys. Okay, otherwise you cannot publish it. Okay, and you can see guys, lots and lots of things you can do it. Your mobile case, okay, your stickers, okay, mug, wall art, notebook, pillows, and you can see guys, ample of things, pins. Okay, so this is, and you can even customize your design as well. Okay, if you want to scale up or reduce the scaling, okay, you can do it as well. Okay, and just need to click on this, I have read and agree to the terms and condition, and you just need to click on this publish button. Okay, so it will take some time guys. Okay, it will take some time, just few seconds it will take, and it will do the validation part, and it will redirect you to your own store. Okay, I'm not skipping it because guys, I just want to tell you that not even a single moment you just miss, and you just earn, okay, on the same point of time. And you can see guys, okay, this is my design, and guys, what it will do, this site, what it will do, it will offer the designs on you can see on discount offers. You can see 35% discount. So this is a way how they will give you, how they will market your product. Okay, you do not have to do anything guys, you do not have to do anything. This is a design that you have created till now, you can see, and I have just created this design, and you can see it will create hoodies. I hope guys, by selling one hoodie I get $8. Okay, you can see minimum is $4, so I just gave a range of $4, and there are lots and lots of products, you can see, and how much designs that you can create guys on this canva.com, ample of, and by just uploading this pictures from this pixels.com, unlimited. Okay, so if you just do at least guys, at least $10, you know, you can get minimum from this. Okay, by just need to upload this designs, and that's it guys. It's absolutely free of cost, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. And what do I need to do right now? Just click on this my storefront. Okay, just click on this my storefront, and I'll show you one thing as well. Okay, what do I need to do? Just show you how you can customize your store. Okay, what do you do right now? You just need to upload a cover photograph and your own photograph. I just need to recommend you. Okay, just click on this update icon and you just need to select your own. Make sure that the pixel is this customized. Okay, if you do not have, just come up on this canva.com and set the dimensions and you're good to go. Okay, so that's simple guys, that's simple. Okay, whatever you need to do, what do you need to do? You can see this is my one design. Okay, this is my one design. I can create new designs as well. Okay, whatever it is, an ample of things you can do, and it's actually a passive income guys. Okay, it's actually a passive income. Okay, so you can even market your own product guys. You can even market your own t-shirts and your other products to Facebook. Okay, so what do I need to do? I just come up on Facebook and you can see guys, I can do the affiliate marketing on Facebook. Okay, I just show you how you can do it, yourself can do it. Just come up on this affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing, or you can see that online store. Okay, online store I should give. Okay, you can give affiliate marketing as well, and you can also give online store as well. Okay, and you can sell your products on this one of the store, which will boost your earning guys. It's not like that you can only have to do it, you have to explicitly do it, because this website is having its own audience. Okay, you can see 9 million people, it's having its own audience. Okay, so don't worry that sir, why we need to do it. I just want to tell you that guys, you can boost your income. Okay, you can generate extra income by selling your products on Facebook. Okay, by just join these set of groups, and you can see guys, okay, 1 lakh plus. Let us suppose guys, from one product, okay, from 1 lakh, okay, only 1,000 people will buy my product. Okay, from 1 lakh 1,000, okay, you can see $4,000 in my pocket by just posting a link. You can see what you need to do, just need to copy this and you just need to paste on one of these stores. Okay, it's absolutely free of cost guys, you do not have to spend penny from your pocket. Okay, you can see, okay, you just need to post your link on this. There are other things as well, other sites as well. So when you join this group guys, what you need to do, you can see, I just show you, you just need to just go on this section and just ensure that it is public. Okay, and just need to copy paste the link, and just you need to do one thing, just need to post it. Okay, it will take some time and it will post your design that you have created on tpublic.com. okay, and it's absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket in order to you can see guys, in order to sell your designs on this website. Okay, so it's that simple guys, that simple. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, if you want to know more details about how to earn money online, just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so that I will show you how you yourself can earn money online by just working some hours, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. We'll see you in the next video guys. Till now, happy earning.